So now it's time to come out of your boot. That normally happens around at 8 to 9 weeks. But we don't want you walking around with no shoe on. It's important that you wear a trainer that has a significant heel to it, so around 8 to 10 millimeters, but most normal trainers will have a good heel to it. But we also want you to get a 1 centimeter heel raise to start with and pop that into the shoe, so you're still in that slightly plantar flex toe pointed position. For the first 1 to 2 weeks after the boot, we would recommend that you use a 1 centimeter heel raise, and then you could get a 5 millimeter heel raise, so half of that, and then you can pop that in for the next 1 or 2 weeks. That's just going to help with the healing of the tendon as you're progressing through your rehab. So you can just wear the heel raise to start with a 1 centimeter, and then you can just pop that onto your foot there.